Hi, my name is Jonathan Simmons, and my project is a flight search application where users can search for flights to a selected destination while being given many sort and filter search options to make searching for flights easier. I was inspired to create this project after recently planning to travel over a school break, and this was difficult because I needed to search for flights that would bring me back to school in time for classes to start again. So I spent a lot of time looking for flights that left at the time I needed while also not being a lot more expensive and out of my budget. So this motivated me to create my own flight search tool that could search for these flights using all possible factors that a customer might care about, like price or travel time or departure time. And I think this project would have very useful real world applications because many other travelers will also have time or budget constraints. And that's proven in how other flight search applications like Expedia are very profitable companies and used often when planning travel. So there are two main functions that edit the list of flights in this program, which are sort and filter. The sort options reorder the list. Sorting by price sorts from lowest to highest price. Sorting by departure time lets you choose a time you want the plane to leave and shows flights that leave closest to that time. Sorting by travel time sorts from lowest to highest travel time. Sorting by arrival is similar to departure. You choose a time and it shows flights closest to it. And sorting by layovers sorts from fewest to most layovers. And then filter options exclude options from the list. So filtering by price only includes flights below an entered budget. Filtering by departure lets you choose a time and how far a flight's departure time can deviate from that time. It only includes flights that leave in that time window. Filtering by travel time lets you choose a maximum length of time you want to be traveling. Filtering by arrival works the same as departure, and filtering by layover lets you set a maximum number of stops you want to make. There's also another option for filtering airlines where you can enter specific airlines you don't want to fly on, and those airlines flights won't show up in search results. And there's also the option to remove any filters you apply later if you change your mind. So here's a simple overview of the implementation of this project. It starts with the user entering a departure airport and an arrival airport, and the program searches the database for a list of flights that depart this airport and arrive at this airport. As you can see, there's a tree for the departure or airport at the top, and once it finds that, it finds the arrival airport and then finds the correct list. And then it applies any current filters to the list. There's not any filters yet, so we can get to that later. After that, the list of flights is displayed, and then the user is asked if they want to sort the list, add a filter or remove a filter. If the user chooses to sort, then the list is sorted right then, but if you choose a filter, then it won't filter the list yet. It'll just add it to this filter list here. That way, when the program enters the next iteration of a loop, here the program will reset the list to its original unfiltered version, and then read over the filter list to know what filters to apply before displaying the list again. And this is done this way so that whenever the user chooses to remove a filter, then you can simply remove the data from the filter list, and then it won't be applied once the loop loops again. Otherwise, removing the filter would become needlessly complicated. Here's a sample search from a test result I did when you search for flights from Dhaka to New York. The first box here are the first few results when the list is sorted by price. As you can see, it ascends from 1156 to 1264. And then the next box are the first few results when sorting by travel time. As you can see, the travel time ascends here from 21 hours, 5 minutes to 21 hours, 20 minutes. But if you filter the list to only show flights under 21 hours and 15 minutes, in this last box, it will only show the first three results, and these last two results don't appear. Thank you everyone for listening. I hope this presentation provided a good overview of my project.